In a world where innovation shapes the skyline, where design meets precision and dreams take shape, comes a revolution in the world of construction: the launch of the Master Certificate in Building Information Modeling from CAD Center. Imagine having the power to bring your architectural visions to life, seamlessly, efficiently, and with unparalleled accuracy. Our comprehensive program equips you with the tools, skills, and expertise needed to excel in the dynamic field of building information modeling. Led by industry experts, you'll delve deep into the world of BIM, mastering cutting-edge software and techniques. From conceptualization to execution, you'll learn to revolutionize the way structures are designed, built, and managed. Join the ranks of industry trailblazers and become a certified BIM expert with CAD Center's Master Certificate program. Transform your career, transform the world. Enroll now and build the future with CAD Center.